Hello, my lovelies. I hope you are well. Our lesson today talking about the motion and speed. Okay, this is a new branch and a new unit. So let's start. How can you describe the location of an object? If I want to know where this object, the first one, the position, describe the location of an object. Okay, the comparison using known objects or location often are used to describe the position. A reference point is allocated to which you compare other locations. So let's talk about what is the motion. Is a change in the position over time. So the motion when you change the position over time. Even when motion isn't observed directly, the starting point and the ending point can indicate the motion has occurred. Let's talk about the distance, how we can measure the distance. The distance can be measured as a straight line between two positions. The distance can also be measured as the total length of a certain path between two positions. So the measuring unit of the distance is meter. What the speed is a measure of how far the something moves in a given amount of time. Speed measures how quickly or slowly an object changes its position. The fast object moves farther than slower object in the same amount of time. Now let's talk about the average speed. What's the average speed? The average speed is a way to calculate the speed of an object that may not always be moving at a constant speed. So what's the definition? Speed over stretch time rather than any exact moment in time. The speed. The speed can be calculated by the distance over time. So when we want to calculate the speed as equal reality the distance t time. If two objects travel the same distance, the object that takes less time has the greater speed. So there is an inversely proportional between the distance and the time. Now, an object with greater speed travel farther in the same, so low speed travel. So we finished our first part in this lesson. So if you need anything, please tell me.